Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this day and having a good time with your friends and family and your kiddos at home. So friends, today is the most requested video which I keep getting comments and from TikTok family. Everybody has asked me give us some good facial which gives us good glow and where we can do this facial almost every 3 days before we go to a party or before we have a get together. And this is the most requested gold facial which I'll be showing, and it's the highly recommended facial which you get the same effect like how you do this facial at a salon, and it will save you so many dollars also, friends. So the first step is always to cleanse your face, and I have already washed my face with the face wash. I used Aveeno face wash which I just got it, and it results it's very good. And then first step, sorry, I'm showing you my hand because my milk was kept over there. So I've just taken ordinary milk and it's a 2% milk. I've just soaked this. I'll be clearing my face, though there's nothing on my face still. I'll just be rubbing this. I'll just clean off my face well. And milk, it is always good to start with the milk and wipe it with the milk because it will take away all the impurities and it will give a good boost on your skin. So I'll just cleanse off my face fully in front of you. Whatever I do, I tell you, friends. The same things I tell you also because I just don't want to show that I'm doing something different. So this is the step which I always follow. So just clean your face well and it is done. Let it dry for 2 minutes. Friends, I've taken an overripe banana here. You can see this banana is so overripe. So friends, here I've taken the whole banana. Now I'll be mashing this banana well with the spoon. You can even puree it in the blender if you want. My banana was so ripe that I just don't need a banana. Now I'll puree it completely. So friends, here I've mashed it so completely and it is so mashed up. Now we'll divide this in 3 parts. First part, the second part. 3 bowls are ready and I've mashed it evenly and kept it. So now the first one step will be to scrub. So I'll take little sugar also. Here is the sugar. I'm adding 1 spoon of sugar also to this banana pulp. So now I've added sugar. Now I'll allow it to rest for some time. I'll keep it like that for 10 minutes and it will get mashed up well and it will soak all the sugar in. I just need to mix it. Got soaked so well and it is taken all the sugar inside its pulp. So this is how it looks. Now we'll do the second method. Now friends, for the second one, I'm going to add some gel, and this is aloe vera gel. So this is very good. So this we are adding like a spoon. You have added like a spoon. Yeah, that's more than enough. Oops. So we have added the gel of here and now we'll mix the gel which I prepared, and this is the second one. So this goes, here goes the second one. So this is with the sugar scrub. This is with the aloe vera gel, so that I don't get confused, and I have taken all see-through containers so that you will get a good idea about it. So friends, the third step would be just take this banana puree, and here's the chickpea flour which I'm using. If you don't have chickpea flour, you can use even rice flour. So I've added half a spoon, but I think I'll add some more because I can use it for my whole hands and legs also. Here it is, and a drop of honey. Here is the honey. So I'm just taking 1 or 2 drops of honey. That's enough. Here is this one. I'll just mix it. It looks little thick, but I need to just mix it well. Just give me a second, friends. Friends, we had made 3 bowls. This is the bowl which had ripe bananas and sugar. This is the gel which I had made. Sorry. This is the banana pulp with the aloe vera gel. So this is the gel, and this is the face pack with the chickpea flour. So we'll get started, friends. So friends, my face has been dried and I had applied that milk and only milk, so it's all dried. It is little sticky, but that's what we need. And here's the scrub which I'll be using, and this is the scrub which I'll be using with my hands completely. Right now I'll just do it on a time lapse. So friends, my face is completely scrubbed well. I feel very good and it's become sticky. But now I'll just wash and come, friends. See friends, after cleaning it up and my face has already been so clear and I'm feeling so fresh and nice. There's little stickiness because the banana is of course sticky and messy and mushy. So now the second step is, no friends, the gel, which I had mixed it with the aloe vera gel. So now this will have to massage it for 5 minutes and I'll just apply it again. Here's this one which I'm applying the gel. Again I'll apply it for 5 minutes and just massage it well. I'll put on the time lapse now. So friends, I've completed the second step also, which was the banana puree and the aloe vera gel. See, it is sticking so well. Can you see this, friends? It's sticking so much because it's working and it's really showing it's going to show its effects very nicely, friends. This is known as the 3-way facial actually. If you do this, you don't have to go to any salon, and it is the gold facial, it is called GOLD, golden facial. So the third step is to put this face mask, which I had already made with chickpea flour and honey. So I'll apply this, friends, and show you. And I'm not going to wash my face because I'm going to do it over it because it will give more good effects. So I'll just start with that one. So this is the third and the final step. So I'll just apply it off and I'll show you, friends. So it's giving me a good chickpea flour smell, which you like. Actually, all these facials makes me hungry because they are so good and nice. See, friends, just apply off. I feel applying with my hands is much more easier. So just let me put with my hands. So friends, I finish applying it well, and I'll keep it for 10 minutes and I'll show you its effects, friends. Just massage it for 1 or 2 minutes and just let it dry. And you can do this facial every third day. It shows its results so well, and if you have any pigmentation, tans, it all removes away, friends. So I'll come back in 10 minutes and show you after I wash my face and come. So here, friends, after washing and after cleansing, I had dropped all the banana pulp on my dress and all. So I had to go and take a shower and I was left out little more. So I just cleaned and cleared my hands also and came off. I'm feeling good actually. So now it's my no makeup phase, and I've just not combed after that also. You can still see my hairs are still wet. So what I tell you, no friends, I try to experiment on me, and not that I only say, I try to show it on my own skin. See, my skin feels clean and clearer. I'm feeling little fresh. I'm feeling little odd sitting in front without a makeup. So I'll just apply some lipstick right now, friends. So applying just lipstick on a wet face also gives a good clearer. See, friends, just applying a lipstick gave me a good boost and a good lift. So I feel a little awkward without not dressing up, but you have seen me, my real self. This is how I feel, and I feel very comfortable in my own skin. So I'm very happy, and the banana really worked well. So you have to follow this first step, second step, and third step, friends. Then only you'll see the full effect of all the, it took me like at least 30 minutes, but it is worth it, friends, because I was doing the first step, second step, and the third step. And after this, no friends, you can just, still my face is little wet, but you can apply some almond oil, some coconut oil, and so I'm done for today's night. I'll just apply some coconut oil or almond oil and go to sleep, friends. So this is how my nose had some open pores and all. Now it's all closed and it looks good. So friends, try it, and if you feel that this facial has helped, and this facial can be done by both men, women, girls, boys, anyone can do this. So try it, and if you have liked it, like it, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you all. Take care. Okay, bye.